ISTQB Advanced Level Test Analyst Question 75. You have been testing a web application that takes airline reservations. Where has been a problem that occurs when an existing user logs in and makes a reservation. If they query first, then select a particular flight and confirm the reservation. They are allowed to cancel the reservation. If they don't query but enter a particular flight number, then select it from the matched list. Then confirm and try to cancel. The cancel fails. What technique should you use to do further testing and to look for similar issues? A. State transition testing, particularly with zero switch. B. State transition testing, particularly with one switch. C. State transition testing, particularly with two switch. D. State transition testing using state tables to check for invalid transitions.
Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. You can click on pause to choose your own answer before you see the correct answer on the screen.
According to ISTQB Syllabus, in state transition testing, we test a system that can be in different states. Transitions happen when an event or input causes the system to move from one state to another. N-switch coverage relates to the number of switches covered of length n plus 1. A user performs actions in a web reservation system. 1. Login. 2. Select flight. 3. Confirm reservation. 4. Cancel reservation. There are 4 states. Let's simplify this into transitions. 1. Login to select. After login, the user chooses or enters a flight. 2. Select to confirm. The user confirms a reservation. 3. Confirm to cancel. The user cancels the reservation. The defect depends on the combination of transitions. That means the problem occurs not just with a single transition, but with a sequence of 3 transitions in a row. The effect of 2 switches in succession. Thus, correct answer is C. So, 2 switch coverage ensures you test every possible sequence of 3 transitions, which is exactly the level at which this bug manifests. The issue appears after 2 consecutive changes of state. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answers A and B are incorrect because 2 switch coverage is correct. Answer D is not correct because state transition table to verify that invalid transitions are correctly rejected. This technique is mainly used to test invalid or disallowed transitions, e.g. trying to cancel when no reservation exists. My recommendation: key point here is to understand the differences between 0 switch, 1 switch, and 2 switch in state transition testing. Explanation. Let's look at the section 3.2.4 State Transition Testing in the ISTQB Syllabus, where we can see that a single transition is called a 0 switch. A sequence of 2 successive transitions is called a 1 switch. A sequence of 3 successive transitions is called a to switch, and so forth. In general, an N switch represents n+1 successive transitions. This is consistent with our solution and the correct answer C. I think this question is not difficult for you. But my videos on the YouTube channel ISTQB Questions help you figure this out. And you will definitely pass the ISTQB Certified Tester Advanced Level Test Analyst exam. Don't stop, never give up.